Want to create an opening video like this? Let's get started. First, import 2 footage clips into the timeline like the example. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound if your footage is audio. Select the top clip, then add a text mask. Type any words you want. Adjust the font style and size based on your preference. Still in the mask menu, add keyframes to the mask settings at the beginning of the clip and at the 4-second mark. On the second keyframe, move the mask to the right until it goes outside the frame. On the first keyframe, move the mask to the left until it goes outside the frame. Next, add another mask using split mask. Change the rotation to 90 degrees. Enable reverse, then move the mask to the far left side. Move the playhead to the point where the first letter starts entering the frame. Add a keyframe, then move the playhead forward until the text fully exits the frame. Add another keyframe. Set the feather value to 30 on both keyframes. Play the video to check the result. If the text still looks too plain, duplicate the clip and replace it with a black clip. Select the black clip, then in the text mask settings, change the zoom to 102%. Set the feather to 20 on both keyframes. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your opening video is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.